Bro! Bro, I told y'all, dumbasses! I told y'all, dumbasses! She was gonna be fast!
On February 10th, 2023 in Joliet, Illinois, officers observed a car driving the wrong way and conducted a traffic stop. Initially, the girl was cooperative, but what happened next might surprise you.
Here, Gonzalez. You're going the wrong way. All right, well, can I have your license and insurance with you? Yeah, I see him. He's good.
Okay. Can I park my seat over?
No, just stay here for now.
Can I take my seatbelt off?
It's going to be times 2. I'm 10-4. No, just go ahead and stay like that.
Okay, so I got my ID and I'm going to put it up.
Do you got any weapons in your car?
I do not. No.
Okay. Do you have your insurance with you?
I do via my app.
All right, can I see it?
Yes.
I also see you were going the wrong way over there.
Where?
So you guys were coming out Jefferson, and then you guys turned on Center Street left. And then you guys went into Wendy's.
I don't know.
Where are you guys coming from?
My house.
All right, just hang tight for me.
Thank you.
Leave the window down.
Put my window up.
No, leave the window down.
You know, man, it's not illegal. You can put my window up if you want.
Leave the window down.
It don't matter. It don't matter if I put my window up or down. It
Yes,
don't
it
give a
does.
to you.
Leave the window down.
It don't care. It don't matter to her. I need you to come get Fifi because she's not going to. What?
No
what
one's
broke
doing
you on?
anything with your dog.
I'm talking about my dog. No, I need my mom to come get my dog. We on Center Street and Hickory Street. I need you to come get Fifi because I'm talking to her.
Why would you go to jail?
I'm not talking to you, lady. The police pulled us over, and this lady on bullshit. These ladies is on bullshit. I don't know.
Not even saying it.
I'm having I'm on the verge of an anxiety attack right now. I'm on Center and Hickory.
You're not on Center.
Talk to me right now, lady. That's all I care about, Fifi. I'm on Center Street right now. Come on, come get Fifi. Dude, I probably got a warrant right now. Not even.
What would you have a warrant for?
My warrant. What are you talking about,
What is
lady?
it?
I'm a felon. What are you talking about? Like,
Where?
stop talking to me right now. I'm on Center Street.
You're not.
What am I on? What am I on? What street?
You tell me.
I don't know. What the f is why I'm asking you? You don't know? This police officer don't even know what road I'm on. Like border Hickory Street, and then I'm on Center Street. And yeah.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
Oh, I will. Don't worry about it. Girl, you know I ain't got no weapons. Step back.
On you, right?
No, obviously not. I would have reached and yeah, I would have did your ass. I would have did your ass.
All right, go ahead and step back here for me.
Can you shut the door so my dog don't hop out in the f***ing traffic? Can you shut the door? Can you shut the door so my dog? Can you shut the door so my dog don't step? Can you put the window up so my dog don't step out into traffic? Can you put the window up? Can you put the window up so my dog don't step into traffic?
He's fine.
I'm right here. What you talking about? I'm right here. All right, will you tell your coworker to put the window up so my dog don't step out into traffic? All right, well tell her then.
Oh my God, don't look me in the face. You're good. Good girl.
You want to hold your dog?
Yeah, I will. Oh, okay. But I'll hold her though. Yeah, she's on the leash. Okay. If you look. Come here, baby. Hold on, 1 second. Be right. I'm on the police pulled me over. So yeah. The police pulled me over. Babe. So the police pulled me over. I'm about 1, 2, 3, 4, probably like, let me see. Yeah, 4 deep. The police pulled me over. So come on. No, I ain't driving nothing. I'm with my friend, and the police got us. So I don't know why the police slow, but okay, we about 7 deep now. So yeah, the police dumb as hell. They got us for nothing. We ain't got nothing in the damn car. But I got my dog with me though. That's the problem. I don't know. They just so deep. Like they act like something wrong for real. Y'all slow as hell. Ain't nothing in this car. But just because they police, I feel like they ain't finna book me or something. So you gotta come get Fifi, please. My phone is right. Oh my damn. Oh my damn. Oh my lord. Oh my damn. Ain't nothing in this car. Y'all tweaking. Y'all better go find some other criminals. Y'all slow. Ain't nothing in this car. Y'all f***ing slow. Y'all better hurry up and plan some, cause ain't nothing in this car. Y'all f***ing dumb. Y'all better take me to jail. Y'all thirsty asses. Y'all so f***ing thirsty for a crime. Go on the f***ing east side to get somebody dirty. What the f*** y'all doing over here? Go on the east side. Y'all thirsty? Go on somewhere. Like, y'all so dumb. Like, are they that dumb? Like, if Remo ain't do nothing. Are y'all slow?
You're driving down a one-way street.
Okay, well, was I driving? Was I in the f***ing driver's seat? No. So, no. All right. I know. Ain't she trained good? I know. You love her, huh? I know, right? Is she trained good? Admit it. Admit it. I did this myself. Isn't she trained good? She can sit, right? Yeah, I know. You bogus. She can't even admit it. Yeah. Sit. I know. You looking at her. She cute, right? She cute, right? Can I get my purse off the car? No. Why? Why is that? Because why?
What do you need your purse for?
Is that my purse? Put on my shoulder? Duh.
When we're done.
When you're done? Okay. You're so weird. If you don't even know where we're at, when I asked you where are we at, you didn't even know.
I do know where we're at.
No, but when I asked you when I was in the passenger seat, I said, where are we at? You didn't even know. Be so for real right now. Like, you didn't even know. Are we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Probably more cars back there. No, but there's another car right there. Why are we so cars deep, bro? What the f*** you buying this car? What's going on, bro? Hey, God, no. Sorry. I think she gotta go pee. I'm sorry. Okay. She pulling me. Maybe she gotta go pee, bro. Maybe she gotta go pee. I'm sorry.
Back in the car?
No, this is my baby. No, you're not putting her back in the car. Fifi. No. No, just hang on right here. She's gonna take it. Ain't nobody talking to y'all. No.
Settle down with her. Don't be calling her.
I'm talking to both of them. They both.
Down.
No.
Yes.
No,
Fifi,
you're not
go in
getting
the
in
car.
the car.
Get in the car.
I ain't going in the car. The
Are you opening the car door then?
I'm opening the car door for my dog.
Stand over there.
Ain't nobody
Stand
talking
over
to y'all.
there. Stand over there.
Fifi,
Stand
ain't
over there.
nobody talking to y'all. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I ain't touching none of y'all, bro. Fifi, stop. Fifi in the fucking car, bro. These people pissing me off, bro.
Down.
No, ain't nobody.
Calm down. You have to talk to them like this.
Bro, stop touching me, bro. Stop. Y'all tweaking, bro.
Stop. Stop right now. Okay? Stop.
Bro. No,
Okay?
we did nothing
Stop.
to y'all.
23 nothing coming over.
What is wrong with these people, bro? Nobody did nothing to these people. I never did nothing to these people.
Stop moving.
Ain't nobody talking to you. The f***. Okay, well take the phone and the dog. That's the only reason why I called you. I don't give a f***. I don't give a f*** what you talking about. These motherfuckers tweaking. I'm talking about the females. This
Take it off.
no, that's the only reason I'm talking. I don't give a f***. I'm finna sue both y'all. I don't give a f***. Go home. I don't want you to see me like this. I want you. The only reason I called you was to take the dog home. That's it. Okay, now go home. I don't want you to see me like this. Go home. The f***. Stop. Let go of me. What the f*** y'all doing this for? Y'all bogus. Y'all just thirsty for some action. What the f*** is wrong with y'all? Y'all thirsty for
All right,
some
come on, man.
shit.
Step in the car.
Shut the f*** up. Get the f*** off me.
Hey, relax.
Shut the f*** up, ho. Get the f*** off me, you dumbass. Get off me.
Stop.
Get off
Stop.
me. Get off me. Get off me. I'm gonna kick you right, yo. Get off me. I'm gonna kick you. Stop touching me, you ugly asshole. Get the fuck. Yeah. 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 Silly.
We're putting the seatbelt.
Get off me. I don't need no seatbelt.
Yes, you do.
I don't need no seatbelt. Get off of me.
Stop kicking.
No. Get off of me. Get away from me. You weirdo asshole. And you too. You little short ass. Open the door! You little ugly ass! Open the door! Open the door! Hello! Open the door! Open the door! So when I get out of jail, I can have my phone. Can you do that? Can you do that one thing for me? Can you? Can you? Okay, so go before she pull off. Before she, can you do that one thing, please? Can you do that? So go. I don't want to hear nothing from you. Can you do that one thing for me? And my cuffs is too tight. No, I don't give a what you gotta say. I don't give a. Can you do what I gotta say? Can you do what the I gotta say?
Is your phone? Was it
No, it's with my. Put my bag back here. No. I got shit in there, but can you go get my phone from right there in that car, right there? Yes. Can you do that? And my cuffs is too tight. And my cuffs are too tight.
My cuffs are too tight because you were fighting.
No, okay. My cuffs are too tight because you put them too tight. And my circulation. Bro! Bro, I told y'all, dumbasses! I told y'all, dumbasses! She was finna be fast! I told you, get my phone! Get my phone! My phone! My phone! Get my... Are you even understanding me? Do you even hear me? Can you even see me? Bro. Can you even see me? Not once. Blink once. Can you even hear me? Can you hear me? Bro, what the Bro. Hello? Hello? The fuck is wrong? Did y'all get my phone? Did you get my phone? Did you get my phone? Hello? Did you get my phone? Did you get my phone? Yes or no? Okay, good. That's all I want to know. No, I don't care. That's all I wanted to know. The wrong with y'all? I'm finna get shit. I'm finna throw up. I got hair in my mouth. Oh shit. Oh, I hate this part.
You good? Jeff?
No, I got hair in my mouth. The is going? Bro, there's hair in my mouth. What did I get arrested for? What did I get arrested for? What did I get arrested for? What? Roll the fucking... Okay, y'all finna get it. Y'all dumb as hell. Nah, right. We'll roll this back in court because y'all slow. I ain't do shit to no police officer. I don't give a fuck enough to. The f wrong with y'all? You think I care? The f y'all got a vape in this? No, y'all bogus as go. No. Bro, what the f? Oh, God. Y'all got me on the verge of calling my f***ing ex. The f you could have did one thing, Jenkins. You could have did one thing. One thing. And you didn't even do that. Get me out. Hurry up. Put me in the motherfucking text so I can get bonded. Let me out.
Woman was eventually charged with aggravated battery on a police officer and resisting arrest should she have just complied with the officers and avoided her arrest. If you like videos like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing.